Well, and oko media no so a asɛm baako a ɛgye hapa ɛyɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko akwantu ɛda ɔmanim a Kotoko de n'ani ɛkyerɛ United States of America ɛne DC United akɔbɔ African Cup America, African City Cup no. Kotoko ɛkɔ nkran players no, some of them ɛkɔ Accra. Through the preparation towards that game, or visa application, no process no etwa so. Now news ebe told you I said 9 players per and approval of visas. Other 9 no have been denied. You bet me I can see so Super 24 TV no so say no cre. It is not denied of visa, but application no enya complete. So Kotoko players no. The news me busa mu no enchiremu ne say so far 9 have been granted omo visas ready fresh aye bibia genuine and there was another news say there were some of the players omo kra de ya ma omo ensi ho due to the say ya yi omo free mu ana say den Henry Ansu Emmanuel Kote Tenedu any Nigeria new guy a wabe Fernandez Wisdom Bassi Fernando's Wisdom Bassi. That is many players are more anchor the process of the interview and visa application. No. According to explanation, yensa kana enchere say Kotoko a drop your from joining the team which are to go to the USA game versus DC United. But the explanation was that as Kotoko submitted list of players apply visa no. These players not omo passports ready to complete the process. Yinti na yenhye so nti omo an join the other players for the visa application no. Now omo joining so far the news is that they were 18 players and omo process no initiate omo process into 18 players no and then emu 9 US Embassy won't cry approve emu 9 until the rest of the other 9 no, the process will have to continue for them so that they get their visas approved by 12 of your friend is saying next 12 of October na game no ebeba so no say or your friend is saying September and a game no so next month October until there is this time frame a womb until one more kaze Kotoko players deny visas one hay betwem enye no cry a game ya invite Kotoko and the government is assisting in getting everything done for Kotoko. The protocol system ni bibia e koso